How to send money to another Ventix Cash account using QR code. Your QR code can be accessed from two places: top right and bottom right. If you want to scan someone else's QR code, tap on Scan QR code. Your phone camera will automatically open to scan the QR code of the receiver. Make sure the receiver also opens their own QR code. The QR code has automatically been detected by our phone. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap on Send to another Ventix Cash account. You will see a profile of the person you want to send the money to and details of the transaction. Scroll down, enter a memo, that is the reason for the payment. For example, all you have to do now is slide to complete the payment. Drag the Vcash icon from the left to the right. Enter your wallet PIN. Tap Submit. It will notify you that you've sent that amount to that username. Tap Close. This is how you send money from one Ventix Cash account to another using QR code.